In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a font in Webflow. If you're looking to customize your Webflow project with a new font, you've come to the right place. We'll walk through each step so you can easily incorporate new fonts into your designs. Let's get started by opening your Webflow project. Make sure you're logged in and have your project dashboard open. This is where we'll begin the process of adding fonts, giving you the ability to personalize your text styles with ease. Once you're in your Webflow project, you'll want to direct your attention to the highlighted area. This is usually where you'll find project settings or navigation options. Click on the highlighted link or button, which will move you closer toward accessing the site settings. Site settings are important because they house all the configuration tools you'll need, including font management. After reaching the site settings, look for the option labeled Fonts. This is where you can manage your existing fonts and also add new ones. Click on Fonts to open the Font Management section. Here in the Font Settings panel, you'll manage and preview any fonts you currently have, as well as choose new ones to add to your project. You'll notice another highlighted area, indicating an interactive feature you can select. Follow this link or button. It usually directs you to more specific font settings or customization options. Once you access the Font Settings panel, it's time to choose a new font for your site. Consider what style you're aiming for, whether it's a modern sans serif for a sleek look or a classic serif for something more traditional. You may have specific usage needs, such as headlines or body text, that influence your choice. After deciding, select the new font you want to implement within your project. Now that you've chosen your desired font, click the Add Font button. This confirms your selection and integrates the chosen font into your Webflow site. Clicking Add Font is the final action required, making the font available for use within your project. You've now successfully expanded your Webflow site's typography, allowing for a richer and more customized design. Remember, adding new fonts can significantly change the aesthetic and usability of your site, so choose carefully to align with your project's goals and audience. Fonts have a big impact on user experience and can influence readability, mood, and overall perception. That's it for today's tutorial on adding fonts in Webflow. You've learned how to navigate the font settings, select and add new fonts seamlessly. Feel free to experiment with different typefaces to see what works best for your design. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks for watching, and happy designing in Webflow.